Hi girls, Assalamualaikum. My name is Hajanaman and welcome back to my channel. In today's video you are going to see how I do this hijab style, which is pretty simple. I got this headpiece from Bukhari accessories. I will mention their link down below, so if you're interested then please keep on watching. Before we start, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, which is right over here. I do hijab tutorials, makeup tutorials, skincare and DIY, so if you're interested in this content then so let's get on with the video.